Hi there, my name is Koen Verstrepen. I'm one of the founders of Froomle and I would like to welcome you to another episode of Value from AI. And this time we will have a chat about how AI knows what you want before you do so yourself. Scary, right? Well, not so much if you know how it works. And rest assured, we will stay far, far away from the mathematical details of AI. Instead, we will focus on the intuition. And the intuition is best explained by means of the oldest and most simple AI algorithm for knowing what you want. And it's called user-based nearest neighbors collaborative filtering. Let me explain with an example. And the example starts with Joe. And Joe has read two books, one about computers and one about algorithms. And the question now is, what else would Joe like to read? And to figure that out, the AI algorithm will compare the reading history of Joe with that of all other people it knows. And that can be really millions of people. And it will, from those people, it will select those people, those few people, that have a very similar reading history to that of Joe. Now notice that these people can have different genders, different hair colors, different pay grades, they can live in different places, they can have totally different ages. All those things do not matter. The only thing that matters is that they read the same things as Joe does. And then in the next step, the AI will inspect all the full reading histories of those people. And it will figure out that almost all of them have also read a book about statistics. Now, you don't need to be a genius to figure out that if all these people with very similar reading histories to Joe have read this book about statistics, well, then this book about statistics will also be very interesting to Joe. And that is how the AI knows what Joe wants to read before Joe does so himself. Now, if you want to know how you can use this kind of technology to increase conversion rates, well, then definitely keep an eye on our YouTube channel, because we will make a separate video about that. Thank you for watching this episode of Value from AI, and stay tuned for our next episode.